Okay, so we're talking contracts today. So let's say you've got a bunch of contracts floating around your organization and things you need to sign. And you're maybe afraid of signing for things you don't fully understand and asking, what are we actually signing for here? Key details are trapped in long PDFs and only legal seems to understand. Everyone else is flying blind or waiting days for explanation. And it's 2025, you know AI can do the heavy lifting, but copy pasting across different platforms leaves data in silos, let alone there's a new AI tool that seems to launch every week. Which one do you even pick? But what if you could have total confidence in your agreements? Not just understanding, but feeling in control. Paying $500 an hour in legal fees just to explain complex contract jargon is painful, but it is possible to get the same answers to these questions in an instant for a fraction of the cost. Finally, have full confidence over agreements with ContractWise. So let's fire up our web app and take a look. Cool, so here we are on our landing page. Transform your contracts into clear insights. Of course, powered by Docusign. So let's jump in and take a look. We're gonna start here on our dashboard and add a new document straight from Docusign. Here you will have access to documents you can import for AI processing. So if we scroll down, we'll be able to see our contracts here. And let's jump into OpenAI service agreement to look at an example. So here we are on our contract details page. So what we're seeing at the top is a smart summary where an LLM has gone through the contract or long document and picked out the things we need to know. Underneath that, we've got the key agreement challenges. So again, our AI has picked out the key challenges that are in this agreement. And in order to break through all the complex legal language, AI has created a video explaining these concepts. So let's go ahead and take a look at the contract overview video.
Hey there. Let's break down the key service level changes coming your way in 30 days. Just what you need to know. The big shift? Support response times are tightening up. Replacing the previous 24-hour window, critical issues now get 4-hour response guarantees.
So what we can see here is human language, a human face, and breaking down some of those complex terms in easy to understand language. Underneath, we're able to pull out key dates and display them on a simple timeline so you can see what you need to do and when. Of course, when it comes to preparing the document, we're able to have a quick glance at some of the changes and then continue to Docusign to sign the papers. And then we can begin signing and having a look at our test document here. Your document has been signed. Happy days. And of course, there's one more thing. If you've got unanswered questions still, which is likely if you've got a huge contract, you've got your 24/7 agent on hand. So let's call up the agent and ask a question.
Hello, how can I help you with your upcoming contract?
Hey, I'm interested in hearing about the new pricing changes.
Sure, I can help you with that. The most significant change is that the payment terms have shifted from net 30 to net 15. This means you will now have 15 days to pay your invoices instead of 30.
All right, that sounds good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
All good for now. Awesome. And of course, that agent is trained on the contract and the key insights that are pulled from the original processing. So break free from the agreement trap and have full clarity over your agreements for you and your team. Just connect up with your Docusign account and you'll be enjoying navigating all these contracts with ease and a lot of saved energy and time. Okay, so let's take a look at what's powering ContractWise. Of course, this is a proof of concept. So let's have a look at the processing that would happen when this is operating as usual. Firstly, we'd be authenticating with Docusign to allow users to import and manage their contracts from the app. And then once a doc is imported, then it will go into our processing pipeline. Firstly, we'll extract key dates, facts, and any challenges that our team need to work through. We'll then use an embedding model to process not only the full contract, but also some of the key challenges, dates, or any key insights that we've pulled from the contract, so that our AI agent can use RAG search whenever the user has a question about the agreement. The tool of choice for this would be OpenAI's models for now. So once we've got some of the key insights, we'll then run this through another processing pipeline. So we'll take some of those key concepts and use an LLM to simplify and help others understand what that language is actually saying. And then we'll create a video script that will then be passed on to an AI avatar provider to create a simple video explaining the concept or challenge, as we can see here. Finally, to power our 24/7 AI agent, we're using 11 Labs tech. In the future, this would be dynamically trained on the contract and all the key insights to make for super fast RAG retrieval once we're asking our agent questions. This is all built with Vite and will be deployed on Vercel. What's the future of ContractWise? Well, to begin with, we've got our single contract intelligence here. After that, we'd scale into cross-contract insights, So being able to understand how different contracts fit together and being able to ask questions holistically. Down the line, I could see ContractWise proactively working through some of these key challenges with an agent that can actually liaise with your team or the other party. This isn't just another doc management tool. Never feel lost in your contracts again. Thank you for watching this short demo of ContractWise. All the best.